There's recent research which says that certain types of foods are eaten in response to certain types of moods. This is very, very interesting data which tells us that sometimes the type of food you're eating can tell us a little about your emotional state. And it seems that when people eat certain types of foods, it often tells us a lot about what's going on inside their brain. Examples are when somebody is craving very tough foods like meats, things that require a lot of biting and chewing, it might mean that they're actually angry. Foods that when people eat are very sweet and sugar, often people eat that when they're very depressed. Conversely, if you're eating and craving soft foods like ice cream, things that have a palatability and a texture to it, that may be due to anxiety. If you're craving very salty foods, that often means that you're very, very stressed out. If you want to go for things that are very bulky, things that fill you up, often that means you're filling an emptiness or a loneliness. Sometimes it might even mean you have a sexual frustration. And finally, when you're just eating anything and everything, that could be an indication of jealousy and rage. So it's very interesting how the researchers have associated these different types of emotions with the types of foods that people will eat. You may have to step back and look at your diet for a second and then kind of look at your mood and your state. And if you see any of these associations, maybe it'll help you to better have an understanding of how your mind is influencing the foods that you want to eat.